Hey guys, Randall here, and today we are at a lake in Loveland, and we're gonna see how it goes over here. We're gonna be just trying a lure at first. I'm just using a lure right now since it was already on my rod. Got one.
No way.
Yeah, you do.
Heck yeah.
What are you using?
A lure.
That's it?
Yeah. Got him. Oh.
Get away from you.
Look at that. Heck yeah. Not a bad size.
Yeah, it's a good one you can fry up for your lunch.
Nice. Let's go.
He's gonna swim right out.
That's why you got.
Throw him on the land. Let me get a camera. Okay, right at you.
So we just caught a fish off the lure, and we think we got another one.
Yeah, I do.
Nice. It's a good size. I still can't believe that one I caught. Alright, so we just caught another one. If you guys haven't seen me catch the biggest fish that I've ever caught in my life, I will put a link to that video down below. Or maybe if I can do it, put it somewhere around there. Got one?
Oh, shit, he's a good one, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, this was a bigger one than that last one.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, way bigger.
Nice.
I got another one! Yeah, I did. And he's bigger than the last one.
You got him right on the lip too. Perfect.
Alright, Friday night.
There's really not much in terms of being able to cast over here. Yeah, it's really hard to cast over here, so go back to where I was. Then you almost fall in the water. It's too hard to cast over there. I may fall in the water or something.
Got another one.
Do you?
It was pulling on the rod. Oh, it let loose.
Look, he got my bait though. Look, he was trying for it.
Oh. You know what I'm thinking about trying? Putting a salmon egg on one of the things on the lure.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about trying a worm.
Oh, you haven't tried a worm yet?
No, we haven't tried it yet.
They're hard to put on with these jab nails.
Oh. I got a bite and I missed it. Oops. And I just threw. Whoops. Whoops. Well, it's time to switch it up and use a worm. I just threw this in the tree. Those people were looking at me like, what the f?
I got you now, sucker.
Oh, man.
I got you now, sucker.
Oh!
Oh. Eve, you almost lost him. Wow. I want a fish.
Alright, I'm gonna try.
That 3-year-old fucking power bait's fucking working, fool.
That's what you're using?
Yeah, power bait that's like 3 years old.
Dang.
But it's garlic scented.
Garlic scented. Fish like garlic?
Oh, yeah. I like to at least have a couple of bites. Shit, they don't even have to get hooked. I don't want to get them.
Alright, well, we got a worm on there now. Let's see if a worm does anything. Alright, well, we put the lure back on. I was having better luck with that. So we're just going to keep going with the lure. You didn't see that. No one saw that. I have a falling problem, apparently. God dang it. Damn leaves. Alright. We put a little salmon egg on the end of a lure. See how that does. Oh, I got snagged. Yeah. Dang it. Oh, still got it. Alright guys, well, we've only caught in one fish myself. What do you got going on over here?
We got 5.
Got 5? So we got 6 fish in total. And I'm only caught in 1, so we'll see how it goes. Either way, we can cook up 1 at least. I'm gonna try to continue with the lure and see if we can get another one so we can cook up some more. This fish is like weird.
Almost caught that tree over there. Right. Drop a line. Alrighty, buddy. Good luck.
Yeah, what is wrong with this fish? He might be sick. He's not, it's like he's not even alive. If you had a net, you'd scoop him right up. He saw all his buddies getting caught, so he came to the shore to check out what was going on. Another one?
Yeah. He caught my 3rd one. I need 1 more and then we're done.
Oh yeah, he's good. He's good size. Look at that.
Nice.
Wow.
There we go. Yeah. Uh-oh. Did he get off? Yeah, he's still there. Nice. Nice. I told you I had to get another one. He somehow hooked all 3 of those hooks on him. 2 on the upper lip and 1 on the bottom lip. There we go. Now we can cook up some lunch. Not a terrible size here. All right, guys, we just caught our second one. They've already caught in a ton of them. So now we got 2 of them, and we can cook them up at some point. I'm gonna keep trying, see if we can get at least one more, and then we're gonna cook them up. No way. Oh, shoot. Oh, he got off. That was right after I casted it. That was like 2 seconds after I threw it out there. Oh, man. I was scared for a second. I was like, uh-oh, where'd that go? Come on, fishy. There we go, come on. Oh, this one's a good one. There it goes, it jumped out of the water. Come on, come on. He's swimming towards me. Swimming towards me. Oh no! I got him. I got him. And my rod is in the freaking tree. I got him. Look at, oh my God. Got him. Oh my goodness. So I got the rod stuck in the tree, but we got the fish.
He's enjoying your videos, by the way.
That was good. Now let's see if I can get my lure out of the tree.
Your grandpa Joe would have a kick out of watching you fish.
Ah, it ripped it. I'm not losing this lure right here. Ah, it's right here. But I was catching fish with this thing. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm getting this lure back. I got a dog leash, see if that works. Kind of messed up my hand a little bit. It's all right though. Careful, got the branch?
Just break the branch.
Don't hook yourself. Nice. Let's go.
Okay.
Good job.
All right. Hope you didn't hurt your neck.
You guys
more.
good?
You all right?
Nice. All this for a couple $1 of a lure.
Papa John's has 2 medium pizzas for $8.99 or $7.99. $7.99 for 2 medium, 2 topping pizzas, which is cheap.
For a piece or for both?
For both.
For both of them? That's a good deal.
2 medium, 2 topping pizzas for $7.99 at Papa John's.
Yeah, that's a really good deal. All right, so we are gonna get ready to cook them up. Let me see my screens. Okay, now it's not showing the one screen as it should. Don't know why it was doing that before. All right, let's get the stuff out, get it all set up, and just get to cooking. All right, so we're gonna let that heat up. I need to run and get that lime. So when I caught the big one, I don't know if you guys seen that video, link will be down below. However, I brought a lime with me and I caught a big one. And I've been out fishing for the last couple of weeks, haven't caught really anything. And I decided to bring a lime with me today. And now we caught 3 of them. So, good luck charm? Maybe. Yeah, it's heating up. And I got some plates too.
Nice.
Get that oil nice and hot in there.
The fish.
I don't know if it's hot enough yet, but they're going in. No, it's not even hot yet. There we go. Alright, we're gonna put a little salt, a little pepper. Probably needs a lot more heat because of the wind. I'm gonna try to be on this side. Help block some of that wind. I think a few more minutes on each side and they'll be done. You scared me. I was like, what's happening? I hope the spoon doesn't melt. They might not be like the crispiest fish, but I think they're done. Well, here's a plate. Sorry I don't have silverware. Cut up this lime. Lime. Well, there's lime for you guys. Which one do you want? You pick. Like I said, there might not be the crispiest. Somehow fish it out, I guess. Get it? Fish it out.
Whichever one you want. Give me the other.
This one's probably cooked more. Like I said, it's not fried up all that good because of the wind. It won't get that hot, but.
Ooh.
Careful. Ouch. Like I said, it's not the crispiest and the skin's probably a little soggy, but
I haven't had one of these in a long time fresh like
I think it's pretty good.
Is this what we were catching today?
Not bad.
Good job.
If it was less windy, I could have cooked them up a little more and made them crispier. It won't. It literally would not get hotter.
No, now that they're done cooking, the wind's gone.
That's exactly how it works. That's how my luck is.
I'm gonna see that.
Yeah, lime is a must-have. I should have cooked up another one.
That came out really good.
I wish the skin was a little like crispier, but still edible.
I said, I don't know if I even want anything. Look, my food's already gone.
I know he finished just faster than me. Usually I'm done first.
Straight fresh out of the lake like this. I don't think I've ever had it done like this.
Sorry it's not like more crispy, but this is the way I like eating my fish. I got a little fillet going on here. Look at this.
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a great day fishing out here. We cooked up 3 good fish. Caught a whole lot more than that. Well, I didn't catch more than that. I caught the 3. So technically I cooked up the 3 that I caught. But anyways, if you guys want to see where I catch a bigger fish, link will be down in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.